Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. All the people who are less than the Shudras, they are called Panchamas, fifth grade. First grade Brahmana, second grade Kshatriya, third grade Vaishya, fourth grade Shudra, and all others, fifth grade. They are called Chandalas. The Chandalas, the sweeper, the cobbler, low grade. Still, in India, this fifth grade persons only, they eat meat, pigs, and sometimes cows, fifth grade. Now it has become a practice, and he is a first grade man. You just see what was the business of the fifth grade man, that has become the business of the so-called politicians. You see? So, if you are ruled by the fifth grade man, then how you can be happy? That is not possible. How there can be any social tranquility? That is not possible. But even the fifth grade man, he can be purified by Krishna consciousness movement. Therefore, there is great need of this movement. Because at the present moment, there is no first-class man. No first grade man, no second grade man, maybe third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, sixth grade, like that. But they can be purified. That is the only process is this Krishna consciousness movement. Anyone can be purified. Mang hi partha vipasritya jipishu papajuna. They are called papajuni. Born in low-grade sinful family. Papajuni. Krishna says, Jepishu, Papajuna. Never mind, what kind of Papajuna? Mang hi partha, if he takes shelter of me, then the shelter can be taken because Krishna's representative is canvassing. So there is no scarcity. Simply one has to take shelter. That's all. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is to create this canvasser. Go everywhere. Amar aggai guru haiya taro this. Go. He used to send Nityananda Prabhu, Haridas Thakur, and to canvass. Please chant Hare Krishna. Please chant Hare Krishna. Please surrender to Krishna. Although there was a crowd on the street, Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur saw, and they asked, what is this crowd? No, there are two brothers, Jagai and Madai, very troublesome. They are drunkards, woman hunters and meat eaters, and they have created always trouble. So Nityananda Prabhu immediately decided, why not deliver this person first? Then my Lord's name will be glorified. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name will be glorified. This is the business of the disciple. How to glorify the spiritual master. Parampara. I glorify my spiritual master, you glorify your spiritual master. If we simply do that, glorify, then Krishna is glorified. And that was the decision of Nityananda Prabhu. That why not deliver these fallen souls first? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's incarnation is to deliver the fallen souls. And there is no scarcity of fallen souls in this age. Potita pavana hetu tavo avata. Mosama potita prabhu na paivya. Narottam Das Thakur is placing himself to the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that, my dear Lord, your incarnation is to reclaim all these fallen souls. But I am the lowest of the fallen souls. So my claim is first. Kindly deliver. Mosama potito prabhu na paiva. Your determination is to deliver the fallen. So I am the first class fallen. Please accept. So, Kali Yuga, people are suffering, they are all fallen, all meat eaters, all drunkards, all 5th grade, 6th grade men. They are puffed up. But actually they are 5th, 6th and 10th grade men, not even gentlemen. Therefore my Guru Maharaj used to say that no gentleman can live here. The society is so polluted. But there is opportunity of serving Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because the society is so fallen, therefore there is good opportunity to serve Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's incarnation is to reclaim these fallen souls. So he have got the opportunity to serve Sri Chaitanya, to please Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because he wanted the fallen souls to be delivered. Krishna also wanted. Jada jadahi grani bhavati bharat. Dharmasya grani bhavati bharat. Krishna comes. This is God's business is going on like that. He is very anxious to reclaim all these rascals who are rotting in this material world. Krishna is always anxious. He comes himself. He comes as devotee. He comes, sends his bona fide servant, bona fide son. So this is Krishna's concern, to reclaim all these fallen souls. Therefore, these are the opportunity. The yogina, they are traveling all over the world. Only during the rainy season they are resting. Not that in other season eating, sleeping. No. Because in the rainy season to travel there is inconvenience. Therefore only 4 months. So during the 4 months, wherever they stay, simply being served by somebody else, like a boy servant, they become delivered. There was no question of preaching, simply giving the opportunity to serve. The fallen souls become delivered. But you must be competent, not to take service for nothing. Then you will go to hell. If you are actually in spiritual position, then by giving others little opportunity to serve you, he will be delivered. No question of understanding the philosophy. The devotees must be so perfect. The system is therefore, as soon as one sees a devotee, falls down and touches the feet. This is the system. Because by touching the feet, Mahatpada Rajobhisekam. One is actually elevated to the spiritual life, and people takes the opportunity of touching his lotus feet, then he becomes devotee. This is the problem.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,